So what do you know about periodic table?
It has all the elements in it.
Great. How many periods are there? How many groups are there?
I think there's 181 elements.
No, 118. 118
Oh,
elements. Okay.
180.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me share the. Yeah. Now, actually, I have to tell you names. Like whenever I'm teaching you,
Mhm.
I need your name. So, just can you just spell? Like, can you just tell me the spelling?
Oh, for my name,
Yeah.
S
S.
U U
Hmm.
V I D H.
So with.
Yeah,
Okay. So with. Okay. Great. What does that mean?
I have no idea.
Okay. Okay. But you should know the meaning of your name. So yeah. We should know the
Right,
purpose and the meaning of our name and life, right? Yeah, great,
right.
great. It is really nice to meet you. Okay, so you have done your 10th standard.
My what?
You have done like you are done. You are in college, right?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, great, great. What are your topics? Can you just tell me what are your topics for this year?
So I'm doing English. Uh, Give me 1 second. I have to find my schedule.
Yeah. Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Just tell me the topics, huh? So that let me like note it down.
All right. I'm doing English, chemistry,
No,
calculus.
no. In chemistry, what are the topics
Oh,
you are going to study? Yeah.
let me check.
Like periodic will be the one topic, I guess.
Hmm. I know there's something with like moles in it.
Hmm. Sorry.
Something about like moles and Avogadro's
Okay,
number.
okay, 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 okay. Great, great, great. Moles, Avogadro number, and all mole concept basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
Structure of atom is not there.
Uh, can you repeat that?
Yeah. Wait a minute. Let me turn on my camera.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. What did you say?
Something about moles and
Yeah.
Avogadro's number.
Avogadro number, Berzelius, and all. Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. 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 Yeah. That's it for now.
Yes.
Okay. Great. We will start with that topic only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Great. Okay. So, what was the name? Let me
Sous
think.
vide. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. Hmm. Okay, so we will start with that, your mole concept and all also. But first of all, we just need to understand that currently we have 118 elements. Okay, how many elements are there?
118.
118 elements are there, in which we have this periodic table is actually very very important, because so many elements we have discovered, so it was very important to study them systematically, because we have arranged them in this particular pattern. So it's very easy to understand their properties, and it's very easy. For example, I want to understand the properties of phosphorus. Phosphorus is over here. For example, I want to study the properties of chlorine. So it will be very easy for me that chlorine is a gas, it is a halogen, it has been placed in the 17th group in the periodic table, its electronic configuration is this, it is a reducing agent. So just by just looking at the periodic table and the position of the element, it will be very very easy for me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually, there are so many elements in the periodic table. 118 elements have been arranged. So actually, they have arranged in a very good and particular pattern. For example, this is hydrogen, this is helium, and lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So you know what is happening after a particular pattern? There is a repetition in the properties. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, because for example, this lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, they have similar properties. Why they have similar properties? So with
Uh,
Because they have similar electronic configuration. Do you know what is electronic configuration?
No.
No. For example, sodium. Sodium is a metal, and its electronic configuration is 281. That means it has one electron in its outermost shell.
Oh,
Okay.
right.
Do you
Yeah.
understand all this electronic configuration at all? No. So we will start
Yeah.
with more basics.
Oh,
If you don't know,
okay.
it's completely fine. I will help you out. Just don't worry. We will start with the basics like electronic configuration, metals, non-metals, bonding, and everything. It's completely fine.
Okay.
If you
Yeah.
if you don't know, it's completely fine. We will go with that. Okay. Okay.
Right.
Let's start there. Okay. 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 Yeah. What is atomic number, Suvit?
It's like their number in the periodic table in order, or the amount
Yeah,
of
you can say
protons they
very
have.
good. Very good. Yes, very good actually. Number of protons. Great.
Protons.
So how many protons are there in an atom represents the atomic number. What is mass number, beta?
Uh, they're combined
Yes,
protons
yes,
and
yes.
neutrons.
Very good. They are the sum of
The
protons.
protons and
Yeah,
neutrons.
protons and neutrons.
Yeah.
Great. Protons plus neutrons. Great. Very good. So basically, they're the combination of protons and neutrons. Atomic number is the number of new protons. And do you know that in a neutral atom, if I'm talking about just an atom, number of protons are equal to the number of electrons.
Uh,
Do you know that? In a neutral atom, for example, this is a neutral atom, it is not having any charge. So this is the nucleus.
mhm.
Okay, this is the nucleus in which we have protons plus neutrons. And
Yeah.
if it is a neutral atom, if it is not having any charge, so it will be having equal number of protons and neutrons. Let us take an example of sodium atom. Okay,
Right.
this is a sodium atom. Okay, can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is a sodium atom in which it has 11 proton plus 12 neutrons. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, so how obviously it's a neutral atom, so it is having 11 protons. Can you see 11 protons? Okay, so
Yeah.
in the nucleus, this is the nucleus, and this will be known as the mass number. What you will
Okay.
call now mass number. How what will be its mass number, Suvit?
The nucleus and the protons.
Number of protons plus number of
Yeah.
neutrons. Yeah, what will be it?
The number of
23. Yeah. How will I know that, beta? 11.
by adding the neutrons and the
Yes,
protons.
exactly. Exactly. It will be 23. So mass number of sodium will be 23. So obviously it's a neutral atom. So how many protons are there, so with 11?
Yeah.
So how many electrons are there? 11.
Yes.
Okay. Number of electrons, number of protons will be equal. For example, two electrons will be in the first shell. Do you
Mhm.
know that?
Um.
No, you don't know how to arrange the
Yeah.
electrons in the atom?
No.
Okay, okay. I will tell you six. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, and then 1. Okay, okay, I will tell you this. See, for example, Suvit, I want to arrange the electrons in an atom. Okay, that how these electrons are arranged in an atom. We have this formula known as the 2n square rule. What is this rule known as?
The the square root.
Yeah, 2n square rule. Okay, yeah. For example, this is an atom. This is an atom, and what are these known as, Suvit?
Atoms.
Shells. Yeah, in which electrons revolve around the nucleus are known as shells.
Shells.
Yeah, what are they known as? Shells or
Shell.
orbits. What are they known as, beta? Shells
Shells or
or
orbits.
orbits. Yeah. What is the central part known as? Nucleus,
Mhm.
in which we have number of protons plus number of neutrons. Yeah. And
Yes.
collectively it is known as mass number. Why it is known as mass number, beta? Because
It's